In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chart of accounts templates in QuickBooks Online Accountant. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. From the main dashboard, look toward the top area where you'll see your accountant tools. Open that menu, and from there, choose the option for Chart of Accounts Templates. This is the section where you'll build and manage reusable templates that you can apply to multiple clients, which can save a lot of time and help standardize your practice. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts Templates area, look for the button that says Add New Template. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for creating a fresh template that you can customize for a specific type of client or industry. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to choose a base for your template. You'll typically see options such as a product-based business, a service-based business, or the ability to start from scratch. If most of your clients' revenue comes from selling physical products, choose the product-based option. If they mainly provide services, choose the service-based option. If you want full control and know exactly how you want everything structured, you can start from scratch. Picking the right base can save you editing time later, but remember, you can always adjust the accounts after you choose. Now it's time to customize the template so it truly fits your needs. You'll see a list of accounts that belong to this template. To add something new, you can select Add New Parent Account to create a top-level category, like a new expense or income account. If you need something that rolls up under an existing category, choose Add New Subaccount and attach it to the appropriate parent account. You can also click into any existing account to edit its name, type, or other details so it matches the way you prefer to report information. You'll also have the option to turn account numbers on or off. If your firm uses account numbers for consistency and faster data entry, make sure the account numbers toggle is turned on and that each account has an appropriate number. If your clients don't need them, you can leave numbers off for a cleaner look. Finally, review the detail types assigned to each account. Choosing the correct detail type helps QuickBooks categorize activity more accurately and improves reporting. For example, using the right type for payroll expenses versus general operating expenses will make reports clearer. When you're happy with how everything looks, give your template a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, and then click Save. Your Chart of Accounts template is now ready to be used across your QuickBooks Online Accountant clients.